Good morning, mom.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Very less students have joined.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Everybody take out your books. Open up page number 56. Or do you say we should wait for other students? Just 4 of you are here. Only C section students are here. Maybe A and B. The class is not over yet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they must be joining. Okay, children, let's begin. I don't think these people are joining. And why class 8C
Okay, ma'am.
is also so low today? Otherwise, your strength is quite good.
I don't know.
Were there less students in other classes also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Page number 56, exercise 11. Complétez avec les mots donnés. Read out the passage and just try to fit in these words that are given. Say le dash the
Ma'am,
shark. Yes.
I was asking this only. Ma'am, Charlotte is name.
Name. Yes, it is a name. So what will come in the first blank?
Ma'am, anniversary.
Ma'am, anniversary.
Yeah, very simple because L apostrophe is written there. And of all these options, only anniversaire fits. Even if you don't understand the meaning of the sentence, you can just go by this rule. Yes, because the another word that is given with A is armies, which is in plural, which will take LES before it, not L apostrophe. So any which ways, we are left with anniversaire as the option. C'est l'anniversaire de Charlotte. Elle fait une dash avec plein de copains. Plein de copains is full of friends. Plein de means full of. Copain, you all know, friends. So, elle fait. Now, where does fait come from? I have also told you before also, fait is derived from the verb faire. Faire means to do or to make.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now she makes or she does a dash with full of friends.
I'm fed.
Very nice. Fête, we can use it for festival also, and we can use it for celebration also.
Celebration.
So she makes a celebration with full of friends. Elle distribue les dash.
Invitation.
Ma'am, invitation.
Yes, invitation. Not gato. Why will she distribute cakes? She distributes invitations. Invitation. Tous les dash viennent. Viennent. Now what is viennent? Viennent here comes with N-N-E-N-T. It comes from the verb venir. Venir means to come. Now see, we have slowly come on to IR ending verbs also. IR, sorry, we'd already come. I was thinking ER. So this is IR, but this is an irregular IR ending verb.
Ma'am, army.
What do we mean by tous? What is tous? All the. Tout means all. So all the friends come. Tous les amis viennent. Il y a un grand dash au chocolat.
Gato.
Ma'am,
Gato.
gato.
There is a big chocolate cake. Done. Now, choisissez la forme qui convient. Just do it on your own. These are all name givens of female and male, masculine, feminine names. So according to those names, you are supposed to choose the correct option. This one, you will be doing it on your own.
Ma'am, all will be the plural ones.
Yes, all will be the plural ones. But plural what? Plural masculine or plural feminine? You have to check that.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Done?
Sanant is a girl name.
Sannat. Yes. Sannat is a girl.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am,
Children, very quick. Okay. Henry is Sannat song.
Ma'am, first one. Cosi.
Ma'am, first one.
Cousin. Cousin. What is the spelling?
COUSINS.
COUSINS, because one is male, one is female. Second, Isabel A. Claudine, son,
Ma'am,
second one.
Etudiant.
spelling,
Ma'am,
ETUDIANTES.
Etudiantes.
TES, both are girls. Very good. Celine A. Hugo, son,
Ma'am, Shante.
Ma'am Shantes.
spelling. Okay, Celine is what? Masculine or feminine?
Ma'am feminine.
Ma'am,
And Hugo?
Feminine.
Hugo?
Ma'am masculine.
Masculine. So which option are we picking up? First one, second, or third one?
Second.
Yes, children. Who? Okay. One of you is saying the second one. Any other answer?
Ma'am, I think first one.
You
Ma'am,
think
third
first?
one.
Okay. Who thinks the third one? Bhavya, you think the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third one is the correct one. Why? I told you what is a singer in French. Chanteur, right? Now, what is the
Yes, ma'am.
feminine of it? Chanteurs. This is the feminine. Yes? Which is given there as the second option. But since we have two people, so we can't put this option. Now, the third option is chanteurs. One option that is given is chanteurs in plural, which makes it what? Feminine plural, but Hugo is masculine. So what option are we left with? This one.
Okay, ma'am.
I told you when we have a masculine and a feminine, we always go with which option? The masculine is
Masculine.
always dominant. Harish A. Sarang, son,
Ma'am Madi scenes.
spelling,
Ma'am third option.
third option.
Yes, ma'am, last one.
MEDINS.
Medicine. CINS. And the fifth one, the last one. Avanika A. Sannat, son.
Ma'am
MA.
Ami. Second
first
option.
one.
AMIES.
Okay, what is Bhavya saying? The first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Sannat is what name, beta? Feminine or masculine?
Ma'am, feminine.
Feminine. What is Avanika?
Ma'am, also feminine only.
Feminine. Then how can we put the first option? Will we not need an E with it to make it into feminine first? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now the 13th exercise is to be done with this. It is a listening exercise. So let's just skip it. We are not doing it. Complétez en utilisant les autocollants. This one, do it yourself.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, let everyone finish.
Ma'am,
Done, everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Coming on to the last one. True and false. Il faut jouer tout le temps. Tout le temps. How do we read it? Tout. We don't say tout le. Il faut jouer tout le temps. What does it mean? Anyone can tell? One must or we must play all the time. Tom is time and two is all, like full or all. So we must play all the time.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, false.
False. 4. Je suis toujours propre. Propre is neat and clean, tidy. Toujours is always. Je suis toujours propre. Ray?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ray. Better write down the translation also, everyone. Il faut employer bien le temps de sa jeunesse. Il faut employer bien le temps. We must utilize the time. We must utilize the time of our youth well. We must utilize the time of the youth well. While we are young, should we utilize that time? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ray. Le temps de sa jeunesse. Nous n'aidons pas nos camarades. We must not help our colleagues. Camarades,
Ma'am, 4.
colleagues.
Ma'am, 4.
And aido. Aido comes from which word? It comes from the verb aider.
Aider.
Aider means
Ma'am,
to
to help.
help.
To help.
Nous n'aidons pas nos camarades. 4. Then the last one. Il faut respecter les âgés. We must
Ma'am,
respect
Ma'am, break.
the aged. We must respect the elderly or the aged people. Ray.
Ma'am, what is the translation of first one?
We must play all the time.
I'm done.
Done? All of you? Any doubts in this chapter?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. How come so late? Huh? Half of the class is gone. We've completed the chapter.
Ma'am, it is our break or not?
Your break begins at 11:10.
Oh,
The
ma'am,
break-
I forgot. I thought it was on 10:30 to 10:50.
No, now it has, your timetable has changed now. After 4 periods,
Yes,
you take a
ma'am. Yes,
break.
ma'am.
beta.
I forgot.
Huh.
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. But now see, the work is done. So you will take from someone, or you just take a picture, take a screenshot, and then you can do the work later from
Ma'am,
the-
I'll see the recording.
Yes. Then after this, let's move on to the next chapter. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who will tell me the translation? Now I think translating from French to English has become very easy for all of you. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So telling you the translation makes no sense now. You will translate it yourself. What is the name of the chapter?
Ma'am, it's Christmas.
The Christmas.
Yes.
On the Christmas.
C'est Noël. So it is
Christmas.
Christmas. Okay, the first line. Who will read? One by one, okay? We'll read one line each. Ridhima.
Aujourd'hui, c'est le 25 décembre.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is today.
No,
It is,
no, I am
25
not accepting 25.
Ma'am, Vingit it sank.
Don't put ET in between.
Ma'am, Vingit sank.
Yes. Va sank. What is it? Va sank. Now read the line again.
Aujourd'hui, c'est le 25 décembre.
Beta, va sank. It's just va. See, look here. V-I-N-G-T. So G is silent here. And T is also silent. What we have to pronounce? Just V-I-N. Va. Okay?
Yeah.
Aujourd'hui, c'est le 25 décembre. Once again.
Aujourd'hui, c'est le 25 décembre.
Very nice. So what is it?
Today, it is 25 December.
Yes, very nice. Next, Aditya Kumar's turn.
Okay, ma'am. C'est Noël et la famille d'Emmanuel fête le Noël dans la maison.
Okay, c'est Noël et la famille de Manuel fête le Noël dans la maison. What does it mean?
Ma'am, it is Christmas and the family of Manuel is celebrating the Christmas
Yes.
at their house.
Yes, in the house. They are celebrating Christmas in the house. Then next, Bhavya.
Okay, ma'am. Ils font un bon dîner.
Okay. Ils font un bonhomme de neige. What is neige? What is neige? Neige is snow. And homme. What is homme?
Ma'am, man.
Yes. Man. So what it becomes? Snowman. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. So they make a snowman. They make a good snowman. Okay. Bon homme de neige. They make a good snowman. Then next line. Who is there? Dhruv. Dhruv, beta, read out the next line.
Ils décorent la spade avec the tableau et des gourmands. Ma'am, what is that?
Okay. Il décore le sapin avec des ampoules et des guirlandes électriques. They decorate the sapin. What is sapin? The fir tree. They decorate the fir tree with ampoules. What is ampoules? The light bulbs. And they guirlande électrique. The electric lights that come. The garlands of light bulbs. We also decorate in Diwali, during Diwali time.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So similarly, they also do it, but at the time of Christmas. So guirlande électrique is, I hope you understand what it is, the electrical garlands. That is what we call in, these days it is very commonly used in birthday parties and all. What is it called? Which kind of lights? Twilights. Is it twilights? I don't know. The name is not, it's not clicking to me. Which lights are these called, children? You must know. No one knows it. Those little lights around, they are put around the cakes also these days. What are those little lights called? I don't know. The word is not clicking me. Anyways. Written the translation till here, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next. Dhruv Bhojwani. Beta, your turn, Dhruv. Dhruv is not reading. Aradhya Nagpal.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, read, your turn.
Ma'am, I'm late, ma'am. Can you tell me what we are doing?
You have joined right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the word is fairy lights, children. It wasn't clicking to me. It is the mini lights, the fairy lights. The strings
Okay,
of
ma'am.
fairy lights. Yes, what do? They wrap around, they decorate the fir trees with these kind of electrical garlands, the fairy lights. Beta, we are doing, open up page number 57 of your book. And we
Dhruv
are,
Bhojwani is saying that he is not able to unmute.
he's not able to unmute. Okay. Aradhya, are you there? Are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Open up page number 57 of the book, beta.
I'm opened.
Now we are doing this passage and we are on 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. Le Père de Manuel, this line. You have to read this line.
Le père de Manuel rang le
Cadeau,
cadeau près du sapin.
du sapin. Le Père de Manuel range les cadeaux près du sapin. What is près? Près is near. So what he does, the father of Manuel arranges the gift near the fir tree. Fine.
Okay.
Then next. Ridhima, again your turn, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Il acquitte toujours de beaux cadeaux pour la famille.
What this line means?
Ma'am, what is acquitte?
Achet. Achet means to buy. Comes from the verb acheter, er ending verb. So what he does, he always buys good gifts for the family. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next line, who will read? Aditya's turn. Aditya has, no,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Ils fait froid dehors.
Il fait froid dehors. It is cold outside. Il fait froid dehors.
I'm done.
We can also say it today. Can't we say this line?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, il fait
With
froid
rainy.
dehors et il pleut. And it is raining also. Et il pleut.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next line, whose turn? Bhavya, your turn.
Setle hiver, it il commence a neiger.
Yes. What does it mean?
Ma'am, setle hiver means it is winter, and ma'am, what is the meaning of commence?
Commencer
To
means
start.
start or to begin.
To start. Ma'am, and it is ma'am, it's starting snow.
Yes, it is beginning or it is starting to snow. It is cold and it is starting to snow. Then next, whose turn? Dhruv Kumar's. Dhruv, is it your turn, beta? Okay, Dhruv doesn't.
I don't know.
Where you are. We are on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth last line. Mais dans la maison.
Yes, ma'am. Mais dans la maison, il ne fait pas trop à coquille centrale.
Okay. Mais dans la maison, il ne fait pas froid grâce au chauffage central. What it means? But in the house, it is not cold because of or by the grace of the central heater. Write it down.
And May is but.
Yes, but. But in the house, it is not cold by the grace of central heating. Next line, whose turn? Aradhya. Aradhya Nagpal, your turn, beta.
Les grands-parents et les cousins de Manuel sont là.
Les grands-parents et les cousins de Manuel sont là. What it means? Manuel's grandparents and cousins are there. La with accent grave means there. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then, l'oncle et le tante de Manuel habite en Australie. Very simple line. I don't think anyone needs the translation also.
I'm the uncle and aunt
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Manuel lives in
The uncle
Australia.
and aunt of Manuel Ma'am, live in yes, Australia. ma'am.
Ils arrivent aujourd'hui.
Ma'am,
They will arrive
today.
today.
Very good.
They will
En
arrive.
Australie, c'est l'été en décembre et il fait chaud. Then,
Ma'am, in Australia.
In Australia, it is summers in December.
yes, et il fait chaud. Il fait chaud
Ma'am,
means
what is show?
opposite of froid. What is froid?
It is home.
Huh?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, like
And what is written? It is hot in Australia.
Yes, yes, it is hot. Show is hot. Frua is cold.
Okay, ma'am.
Then the last line. Who will read the last line? Ridhima, read out the last line, beta.
La famille de Manuel prend le réveillon après la messe.
La famille de Manuel prend le réveillon. Réveillon. Double L is silent. Après la messe. So what they do? They take réveillon is the Christmas dinner. The dinner that is eaten on the Christmas Eve. So the family of Manuel takes the dinner after the mess. What is
Ma'am,
mess?
what is mess?
Mess is the prayer. The Christians, they offer prayer. That is the mess. Let me just check.
Okay, ma'am.
From the family of Manuel.
Does the dinner, the Christmas dinner, after the mess, after the prayers.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, church mass. La messe is the church mass. Done? Written?
Yes.
Okay, what you will do now, take out your copies. Just write down the conjugation of the verb faire. Je fais. Tu fais. Elle fait. Nous faisons. Vous faites. Now here we don't have EZ, we have ES. Vous faites. And elles font. So children, that was all for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta, you may go for your break now. It's your break time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.